Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
If your kid has ever dreamed of racing through dirt trails, feeling the wind in their hair, and experiencing the thrill of a real motocross adventure, the Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket might just be the perfect way to make that dream come true. This compact electric dirt bike brings together power, design, and safety in a way that's tailor-made for young riders who want a taste of the real off-road experience. And if you want to check it out for yourself, the link is given down below in the description. From the very first glance, the Razor MX350 looks like a scaled-down version of a full-size motocross bike. It's got that rugged, sporty design, the kind of stance that makes it feel like more than just a toy. It's a true mini bike built for adventure. Crafted with a sturdy steel frame, it's designed to handle bumps, dirt paths, and light trails, giving kids a real sense of control and stability while they ride point. One of the most impressive things about this little machine is its high-torque, chain-driven motor. It delivers a smooth but powerful kick that can reach speeds up to 14 miles per hour. For a child-sized bike, that's just the right balance. Thrilling enough to feel exciting, but safe enough for parents to trust. And because it's electric, it runs quietly, without any of the noise or fumes of gas-powered bikes. That means your child can enjoy the ride without disturbing the neighborhood or needing constant maintenance. The Razor MX350 is powered by a 24-volt rechargeable battery system, giving riders up to 30 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. It's plenty of time for outdoor fun, whether that's a quick backyard ride or exploring a nearby dirt path. Charging is simple too. Just plug it in overnight, and it's ready to roll by the next day. The 12-inch pneumatic knobby tires are another standout feature. They provide excellent traction and control on different terrains, whether it's gravel, grass, or packed dirt. These tires grip the ground firmly, giving young riders confidence as they navigate turns or bumps. The large tread also absorbs shock, keeping the ride smooth and stable. Safety is at the heart of Razor's design philosophy. The MX350 comes with adjustable handlebars and a hand-operated rear brake that feels natural and responsive. This setup helps kids learn how to control their speed and stop confidently, all while improving their balance and coordination. And because it's recommended for riders up to 140 pounds, it's ideal for kids age 13 and up who are ready for something a bit more adventurous than a standard scooter. Now, what's really nice about the MX350 is how it bridges the gap between fun and skill building. It's not just a ride-on toy, it's a stepping stone into learning how to handle a real bike. It teaches throttle control, braking techniques, and awareness, all within a safe, controlled environment. Parents can feel confident knowing that their child is having fun, while also developing practical riding skills that could translate to future biking experiences. And let's talk about how it feels to ride. The acceleration is smooth, the frame feels solid underfoot, and the throttle gives just enough power to feel exciting without being overwhelming. Many riders say it feels like a real bike experience, and that's exactly the point. It gives kids that feeling of independence and adventure while staying within safe limits. Maintenance-wise, the Razor MX350 is refreshingly simple. Because it's electric, there's no gas, oil changes, or spark plugs to deal with. Just keep it charged, check the tire pressure occasionally, and it's good to go. The durable materials, alloy steel, metal, and high-quality rubber, ensure it stands up to regular use without losing its performance. For parents who want to give their kids a taste of freedom, confidence, and outdoor fun, this bike strikes the perfect balance. It encourages outdoor play, helps build coordination, and delivers pure excitement every time the throttle is twisted. And remember, if you want to check it out or see the full details, the product link is down below in the description. In short, the Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket is more than just a kid's bike. It's a compact adventure machine. Whether it's tearing through trails, racing friends, or just cruising around the yard, it brings smiles, laughter, and that feeling of pure freedom that every kid deserves. Rugged, reliable, and ready for action. This is where the fun begins. If your child loves the thrill of speed and the spirit of adventure, give them the ride that's built to deliver it all. The Razor MX350 is a great way to introduce them to the world of off-road excitement. safely, smoothly, and with unforgettable moments along the way. And don't forget, the product link is in the description if you want to take a closer look for yourself.